Today we will discuss how to install Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word in the PC or desktop. First, open Chrome. In this, you need to enter the URL. I will place this URL in description. After placing this URL, please enter. You need to go here like Office C2R installers. Go down. In this, like many are there: Microsoft 365 subject, Office 2024, Office 2021 after 2019, Office 2016. If you want Office 365, so you can install this one. It includes Access, Excel, Link, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, OneDrive. So if you click on this link, the setup file will download here. After downloading this, go to the folder. If you double click on this Office setup file, then the Microsoft and what are the applications will be there in Microsoft. So those will install. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.